So it's been a while. Junkyard shit. Let's go. Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy 254 man. Wanted to tell y'all about this program that Amazon has going on, Amazon Prime. It's called Prime Try Before You Buy. Basically, you can order something if it has the try before you buy option. Your home is your fitting room. 7 days to decide what you love. Keeping everything. Enjoy wearing your items and will automatically bill you after 7 days. Return or exchanging. All you have to do, they already got the label. And all you have to do is take this along with, put it back in the bag, seal it up or whatever it is that it came in, and then take it to your local UPS and send it back, and you never get charged as long as you do it before 7 days. After 7 days, it's just a regular return policy for Amazon. So I thought this was pretty cool. That way you're not out of no money. But after 7 days, if you do not pay them, or if you do not return them, they will charge your card or account or whatever it is that you got. So this is what I got. I actually ordered these and another set to see which ones I like better, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens. So these here, size 13 boots with the fur. So I was trying to really see something that kind of like had like a heel on it, so that I could be a little bit more flat-footed, but I don't know. Overall, I think this will provide more protection, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on, see how they fit, and then it says steel toe. Are these steel toes? I didn't know. I wasn't aware. But yeah, this is just more so it's for riding, man. It ain't for, I don't need no steel toe boots or nothing else. So if they are steel toes, then it should be good to go. Yeah, let me get some socks and shit and goddamn try them on. Yeah. Alright, so you can see, excuse my ashiness. Yeah, got the boots on. These are the 13. I mean, they actually fit pretty well. Don't feel too bad, probably to be too personal liking, you know, whatever your foot situation is. Definitely got that support. It didn't really go on like a boot, and I mean, cause I'm more of a tennis shoe person anyway. But what I mean is that it wasn't difficult to put on. So, yeah. As far as like height or whatever, which is really what I was looking for, I don't think that these really do it for me. But I feel like it's almost the same as me wearing any other boots and then riding my bike. So may go with something else. I think I do like these for the, I guess, the leather and the protection, so that's a plus. Are these some boots that I'm gonna wear out there in that hot ass weather? I mean, possibly. I think the second one that I chose is gonna be the one that I'm gonna wanna roll with. So, well, these aren't bad. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them as of yet. I might just splurge a little bit and be like, happy birthday to me or something. I don't know. since they here, you know what I mean? Even though they steel toes, like these are steel toes, and like I have a wide foot, but it's not grabbing my foot too tightly or anything like that. So overall, like, I mean, I like the way they feel. Like, can I see myself doing hours and hours shifts in them? Probably not. Maybe with some cushions, some soles, some arch supports, maybe we could. All right, what's up, y'all? It is some days later, and we got our second pair of shoes through the Prime, or second pair of boots through the Prime Try Before You Buy. So we're gonna open this up, and then I'll show you what we're working with. So these are the first pair that we got, and I want to see what was up with them. Steel toe Harleys. And so what I wanted to do on the flip side, it was this other pair that I wanted to try. So, these kind of give me more like a sneaker vibe, but I guess it's still a boot. And then everything just looks kind of crazy in my size because I wear a size 13. But I can see them getting dirty pretty quick, the bottom. But it's a clean look though, like on the regulars. I feel like this is kind of like all-purpose. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it gives me sneaker vibes, but boot vibes. It's like a sneaker with a boot bottom. You know what I'm saying? I think the reason that these really popped to me was because of the red laces. It don't take much for me. I'll just get some red laces for them too, because I think I'm gonna probably end up keeping both pairs. But let's put these on and see how they feel. Boot check live in 3D. Check me out. Oh yeah. I can rock with them, baby. They don't feel as clunky as those, but I don't know, like maybe, I feel like maybe I would be more protected in that one. Maybe. Only because you got the steel toe. But like these are some more songs for every day. Like, yo, 30 things on me. Yeah. So, y'all let me know which ones y'all like better. Like I said, I'm probably gonna lean towards both. Probably end up keeping both of them. But this was also a way where I could showcase the Prime Try Before You Buy feature. I don't know, was the other one in here? Was it? Because I think when they sent me this one, I don't know if they sent me the one for both. I don't know if they sent the one for both shoes in here. I think this is just for one, maybe? Let me see if they sent another one. Okay, yeah, they did. They did. So yeah, Amazon Try Before You Buy. I think that maybe fell out of hole. Alright, yeah, so there's the other one. I don't know if it matters. Yeah, so that's for those boots. And then this is for the other ones. So this one is that one. If I decided to return it, I would need to send that one back in that one, and then this one need to go. We need to go back in this one. So yeah, man, I'm fucking with them, dog. I'm fucking with them.